Hello, this is Gary at Jack Raven Bushcraft. Thank you for watching our video. Today I want to set up a shadow stick. So a means of determining direction based on the sun. So really quite straightforward. Got a stick here, just got to pop it into the ground like so, and then I've got a little peg. I only need one for the time being actually, and I'm just going to stick this peg at the end of the shadow. So, there, like so. I can leave this now for 15-20 minutes or so, come back and put out a second peg. About 15 minutes or so have passed, so I can now pop a second peg into the ground. So the end of our shadow is now here, like so. I've just brought this other stick to kind of make things a little bit easier to demonstrate. So if I put this down on the ground so that it's touching both of my pegs, this is giving me an east-west line. So east that direction, west that direction, which means that in front of me, so directly to the camera, is south, directly behind me is north. So this is quite a straightforward way to find our direction, but I'm afraid there are, or there is at least one big issue with this. So whilst we all sort of say that the sun rises in the east, it only rises in the east on 2 days a year, and that is on spring equinox and autumn equinox. The rest of the year it rises more or less east. The most it's out is at summer equinox and winter equinox. So what this is going to do for us, it's not going to allow us to kind of march on a bearing to a exact location, but what it will do, it will allow us to move in a general direction. So for instance, if we knew that there was a road to our east, well, we can head off generally in an easterly direction. If we know there's the coast is to the north, then we can head off in a roughly north direction. So it will get us more or less where we want to go without being exact. This is something that you can go out into your garden and practice. So my suggestion, go out and give it a go. In the meantime, guys, stay safe.